So hi guys, this is Shreyas and in this tutorial I am going to make a concert for beginners and I am going to add sounds. I'll take a backdrop. I'll go to music. I'll go to I think the theater is good. This the speakers are already there, so I do not need them. Yeah, which are here. Yeah, which is here. So I need a singer. I'll make her on the stage. Yeah. I'll make her a bit small, like on 80. That's good. And I want to choose a sprite again. Music, microphone. I'll make it 40. Yeah. I'll give it over here. That's good. I'll choose a sprite again. Go to music. I'll choose a guitar, electric guitar, or an no, not this one. I'll choose a red one. Electric guitar. I'll duplicate the singer. I'll keep this over here. I'll go to costumes. Yeah, I'll make this a bit. No, I'll bring this. Yeah, I'll make this like this. I'll make it group. Yeah, I'll select this. I'll rotate it. I think this is fine. 70. Yeah, this is really fine. This isn't a isn't that good, so I'll make it an 80. That's fine. I'll duplicate this again. Yeah, I'll keep this one over like here. Yeah, I'll choose an instrument again because it's not there for the third singer. I'll choose uh, I'll choose a keyboard. I think. And go to costumes. I'll check if flip vertical. That isn't good. Group, and I'll make this like this. No, flip horizontal. No, it doesn't move, so I'm choosing another sprite. I'll choose the drums. Oh, I go here. Make this a bit small. 80. That's fine. And I'll choose a sprite, music, and like I'll choose a drum hi-hat. That's good. So I'll go to the sprite. Yeah. I'll duplicate this. I'll go to the sprite, music. I'll do the saxophone or the trumpet. drums. That isn't too good. I'll make this. Yeah, I'll make this mean. What should I choose? Almost everything is gone. I'll choose a saxophone. It's too big. Ah, forgot to bring these. One over here. I'll make this smaller. I mean, the saxophone. 70. Yeah. No, 80. Is 80 fine? No. Yeah, 80 I mean. That's fine. Actually, that's too bad. I'll make it a 60. That's a little blur, but that looks good. Yeah. Yeah, I'll keep this right here. I'll make it switch costume to this. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's the whole thing. Group it like this. To make this 80. That's too big, but it's. I'll make it a 70. That's not too big. I think the saxophone is not good, so I'll choose another one. I mean, the another instrument. Drum snare. Ah, I like. I will go to dance or music. I think I'll do the dances and I'll delete this. I'll do the dancer. Yeah, that's good. And I'll choose a sound. Yeah, not the pop. I'll choose another sound. This is good. When flag clicked, no. Oh, shoots. Yeah. When flag clicked, forever start sound dance funky. And when we start this, oh no, I mean, not this. Yeah, I think repeat 10 times. Yeah, that doesn't work. Yeah, I'll do the forever loop outside of this. No, that doesn't. Fact. Or I'll just play sound dance funky until it's done. Uh, that's good. So guys, that's it for this tutorial, and if you want more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe, like and share.